Affiliate funnels explained in 5 minutes. What's a funnel? Funnel is how professionals make money even while sleeping. Let's simplify it. Coach Ade here. I build systems that ends. A funnel, which is form for sales funnel or marketing funnel, is a step-by-step system that guides people from the position of not knowing you at all to a stage of trusting you, to another stage of buying, to another stage of taking your desired action, like signing up, joining a group, or outright purchasing of your products. Think of it as a journey that moves strangers who are not known to you right from the beginning. We move them into loyal customers or affiliates. There are 4 basic stages of a funnel. The first stage is the awareness stage. This is where people discover you through your YouTube appearances, through videos, content creations, your free training, like my graphic, or Facebook, stroke, Instagram ads, motivational tips, or AI tips. This stage aim this stage aim is to get people's attention and to click links. That is the first stage, which is the awareness stage. Then the second stage is the interest stage. This is where people start paying attention through your free training or mini courses. This stage builds you trust and relationship. It is at this stage that people, through your content creation, they started noticing you, they started creating interest in what you have to offer. All the benefits of your content creation has already roosted home to them. They have interest in you, they are expecting you, they want to really hear your system, to feel your system. That is the interest stage. Then the third stage is the decision stage. This is a stage where people are comparing and considering your offer. That is, they are weighing all your offer down and right, up and down, left and right. It's like they are really considering it. They are looking at it, the possibility, if it will pay them, if it will give them income. If what they want to do with you will give them good result, which is income. That is the decision stage. People are comparing and considering your offer. Then this is the stage where you have to show them proof. You show them your testimonials. Then you show them the results you have achieved since you have started. Because why? You have to convince them. You have to prove to them that your system works best. It is a stage where they need all this proof and the testimonial to be able to make up their mind finally to patronizing your products or your system. So the fourth stage now is the action stage. This is where people buy or register or sign up through your affiliate links. This is where you make conversion or sales. You convert trust into transaction. Everything they have been hearing from your content creation stage, the awareness stage, everything you have been showcasing to them, your proof and everything in your interest and decision making, that this is the time everything added up together and they decided to patronize. They want to buy your products, and that is it. You have created trust and relationship. They already know you, so they are familiar with you, they trust you. Now they have converted to your customer. From the stage of not knowing you at all, they have now become your relations, they have become your customer. And that completes the 4 stages of affiliate funnel. What are the importance of a funnel? The funnel is important because without system, there will be random result. That's why we always say no system equals to random result. Then we say another thing, funnel is equal to predictable income. That is, when the funnel system is intact, when it is up to date, when it is adequate, when it is solid, then you can predict that income will come to you. And that is just the same. Funnel is very important because it is a system which predicts income reality. So if you are interested in having a very good affiliate funnel, subscribe and click the link below for my step-to-step guide in building a very good, smart, solid affiliate funnel. Thank you.